Guys, what is up? This is Most William here. Thank you for watching this video and welcome back to my channel MW Design Strategies. And in this video I will show you how you can create your smart car mobile app design in Figma. So in this video I will cover all these screens. So in my last video I showed you my website, how you can design the creative website in Figma. So if you want another part, another series for that particular website, then please comment me below. And if there is many comments for that website, then I will definitely create a video for website, right? So let's get started with this tutorial. This is the app and how you can design it. Let me show you how you can design these screens. So this is the smart car mobile app design. Okay, so this is my cars. This is my cars listing. I can also add more cars. Okay, if I would have any other car, then I can add my car as well. Screen for adding cars or for viewing the cars. If I click on any of this car, I can see the details, right? So let me show you how you can design these two screens, and let me show you how you can design this. First you have to get a frame. Okay, first get a frame. Approx size should be, font sizes I think it should be 375 into 812. Okay, and then you can get the color, for example this dark color, black color, and then what we have to do is to create a profile. First of all, first just enable the layout grid. It should be according to the font. Both sides you should have to keep 20-20 space. Okay, so for measuring the space you should get this rectangle and see if it is 20 or not. So right now it's 20, then it's good. Now we have to make everything under this grid. Okay, now you can get the circle, create a circle like this. Size should be 50 or yeah. Okay, and then you have to create plus icon, sorry. Okay, so get the plus icon from Iconify. If you know, I mentioned all the times you should use this Iconify tool. It's really good plugin for Figma. In Figma it is available, right? So you can use it for your projects. So then create this icon like this. Now this little bit you have to make your opacity down like this. Adjust your icon accordingly and you are good to go with this top section. Okay, and now you can also go to content tree to get the pictures, profile picture and dummy content. You can get it from this plugin. The name is content tree, right? It's very useful plugin for content, for example text, name, images, right? So profile images we have to get, so click on any of this and you will see the profile image. Okay, and now we have to create another section which is for cars. Write text here, my cars. Okay, and then increase the size of your font like this. Enable this layout grid again, see if it is according to the layout grid or not. If it is, then you are doing good. Okay, and then make your font, adjust your font accordingly. If you want this font bigger or more bolder or thinner, or maybe semi bold or medium or regular, it's your wishes, but don't use regular. It doesn't look good or light, right? So light and regular. Won't recommend you to use regular and light font. Always use semi bold, bold and extra bold, but don't go beyond extra. Okay, now once we're done with this, we have to create rectangle for the same, like this, and make sure that it is under the grid always. So create two cards like this. Yeah, so create two cards under the grid. Okay, both sided should be equal. Now round your cards corners, disable the grid. Now you have to adjust your opacity of your cards, for example like this. I'm choosing, or you can choose any other color, for example this blue color you can choose. Okay, you can choose red color according to your whatever you like. Like this. Okay, and then you have to duplicate this, and now you have to get the car images. So you can go and check out. There are many images online you can check out. Just right here, right there, transparent car images, and you will see multiple images. Also you can use plugins. There are many plugins for car images as well, but you have to remove the background for all those cars, right? So I already have my transparent images, so I won't waste any time, okay, and show you everything here. So I'm just copying all these images from my original frame and adjust it here accordingly. Okay, then adjust the color as well. Like this, and then one card should be plus button for adding more vehicles. Okay. And you have to make it like this. Dashes you have to create instead of stock. Create dashes and then make your plus icon inside this rectangle. Like this. So this is our first screen that I want to show you. Let's create a little back symbol here to show that it is back. Okay, for this second screen, for the detail screen, we have to create again the profile first. Okay, so copy your profile here, and now we have to create a button and icons here. Okay, so just right here power icon. So you see multiple power icons. Get any of this power icon and use it for your screen. Okay, for example, let me show you. Like this, you can add your power icon and make the color, change the color accordingly, and okay, like this. And we have to make it white because the background will choose different background, like red background, or according to the car. If I'm choosing black or any other car, then the color should be accordingly, right? So for rectangle, you have to get this rectangle again, create this rectangle like this, and round the corner, round the this corner, bottom left corner, you have to round. Okay, so go to bottom left corner and round it around your corners. it should be 34 or 35, you can choose, and make the color red. Okay, like this. And we have to get the car. So I already have my transparent car image, so I will get it from my screen. So you can also get it from Google. You can Google it, you will get multiple car icons. You can just write there top car view and we'll see multiple cars like this. Okay, as I said you before that we should make this background according to the car, so it is red, for example, so that's why the background color is red. If there is any other car, for example blue, then the color would be blue, right? So now we have to create another icon which is for settings. So for settings you can create settings icon, make the background black and get the setting icon from Iconify. You can just simply search here settings and you will see multiple latest settings icons, and here you will see many settings icons. So these are some old icons. If you see these are some old, this one is new, so you can use this one. Many of the many people don't know about this icon. They think that this is, I'm confusing, they thought that this is not understandable, but it is very simple icon and it is understandable, right? They just made it simple, they just simplify this icon, right? Whoever created the icons, they simplify the setting icon like this. So don't get confused, this setting icon, okay? And it is very simple and understandable, right? So create this icon and then we have to create the feature for this car, for example the battery percentages bar and other bars as well. Okay, so for bars we have to create the rectangle again. Okay, make sure that the layout, you have to make everything under the layout grid, so make sure that it is under the layout grid, right? And then we can make this color little bit dark, so we choose any of this color, for example this one, and then you have to again duplicate your rectangle and then make your rectangle downwards and change the color code to your bonds. For example I think it should be blue, so that's why I'm choosing blue. For energy, for battery, right, for battery cycle for this particular car, how much battery it has. And if you don't understand this car concept, then comment me below, I will explain you everything. Okay, and then we have to make it more waves, we have to create here, right? So just create the waves here like this. You can play with this rectangle with pen tool, right, like this, and you can create these kind of waves here like this, and like this we can create waves. So waves are looking much better. If you make it simple, then it won't look good, so always create waves kind of thing. And then again we have to go to Iconify and get it here electric kind of icon. You will see there are many electric icon here, so get any of this icon for your battery cycle, right, for the car battery cycle. And we have to adjust this icon here, and the percentage is above this or maybe down. You can think about this and use your own mind here, right? For example, for now I'm just getting it from my file, so all these bars and every shapes I'm getting from my file. It's because I wanna create this video very simple and very simple and short. Okay, so I don't want to make this video longer for you. Okay, so adjust your corners accordingly like this, and then you have to write the battery percentages here. Just create here, right here, battery. Okay, and below the battery you can write the percentage. Make your battery text light or reduce the opacity. And then here we have to add here 57 approx battery. Okay, power like this. And then we have to create another bar for the maintenance, how much maintenance needed for this particular car. Okay, so for maintenance we can choose red color. Okay, and get the icon from Iconify. You can search any maintenance icon, you will get many of these, many of the maintenance icon. So just add here the text maintenance. Maintenance. Okay, for example, let me show you. It should be two issues this app founds for the maintenance. Okay, like here it is showing 2. Okay, you can adjust the icon anywhere, wherever you want. Okay, and then we have to create another bar for map, I think. Yeah, for kilometer. Yeah, for kilometer and range. Again, you have to duplicate this text right here, range. Okay, and then right here 274.75 kilometer. Now create your font bigger like this and make it bold or semi-bold, then you're good to go. Okay, change the color accordingly. If you don't like this color, you can use any other color. Okay, for example blue or dark blue, dark purple. Okay, you can use any of these color. And then yeah, so that's how we can create this app. And another section that I want to show you is for car tires, tire status, like how much pressure, how much tire pressure it has. Let me show you. So you can make it dark blue or dark purple. Okay, and then you have to create here the car shapes. For right now I'm getting it from my file like this. Okay, so this is the diagram. You can create this diagram or get the icons. You won't find many icons on Flight Icon or any other platform, but you will have to create this icon yourself, right? And then you have to write here car tire pressure, for example 32.2. right here, tire 32.2 psi. So same here, 32.2. okay, for all 4 wheels you have to write the pressure, right, and all these 4 tires, right? So somewhere you can write here 28. For this tire you can write 28, and it will show that the pressure is low, so it appears in red color. So you can create the red color kind of effect you can give here, like red, or yeah, this one. and the text also, you can make the text red so that the user would know like this is the low pressure tire and we have to fill the tire right. So that's how you can make this feature in this app. Okay, so once you're done with this, now we don't have to create any other thing. Okay, so that's how you can create this app design in Figma. So that's what I want to show you in this video, and hope you guys learn about this video and you know, enjoy this video as well. So if you really like this video, then please hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because I will create more videos on this channel, okay, for mobile apps and website designs, creative mobile and website design you will see on my channel. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can comment me below. I would be happy to answer it for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.